Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Kit subscriber on Cashfree payment. So let's suppose I am running an e-commerce store and I am collecting all my payments with the help of Cashfree. Now whenever there is a new payment in Cashfree, I automatically want to create this as a subscriber in my Kit account. Now doing this manually will be a very tedious and a time consuming task, so I am going to completely automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Cashfree and Kit. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Cashfree where the new payment will be received, and then in my action application, I am going to take Kit where the subscriber will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create Kit subscriber on Cashfree payment, and here I have built a connection between Cashfree and Kit with the help of Pabbly Connect, and now I am going to check whether this automation workflow is working fine or not. For that, I am going to make payment in my Cashfree for a product, and if a subscriber is created in my Kit account, this means this automation workflow is working perfectly fine. So I am going to open my Cashfree checkout page. So here this is my checkout page and I am going to enter some dummy details. So let's say my name is latest user, my phone number is, my email address is latest54@pabblytudes.com, address is New Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, pin code is this, and now I am going to click on this pay. Here I am going to choose my payment method, which is card, and then I am going to enter my card details. And now I am going to click on this proceed to pay. Here I have to enter my OTP. So here I have successfully made the payment, and now a subscriber should be created in my Kit account. So let's open my Kit account. So here this is the Kit dashboard, and on the top I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this grow and then click on this subscribers. Now if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly and automatically created this latest user. The email address was latest54@pabblytudes.com and the phone number that we just entered was this. It has been created under this tag Cashfree. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Kit subscriber on Cashfree payment. For this, we are going to create automation between Kit and Cashfree with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and it has taken me to this all Pabbly apps page where I can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I have to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create Kit subscriber on Cashfree payment, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Kit subscriber on Cashfree payment, which means whenever there will be a payment in my Cashfree, a subscriber will be created in my Kit account, which means whenever there will be a payment in my Cashfree, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever payment in Cashfree happens and then action says do this, then create subscriber in my Kit account. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Cashfree, And then in my trigger event, I have to take this payment via form. Now I need to make connection between Cashfree and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Pabbly Connect with Cashfree. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Cashfree account. So this is my Cashfree account and I am in test mode. Now on the right hand side top corner, I can see this developers option, so I will open this. And then on the left hand side under this payment gateway, I can find this webhooks, so I will open this. And then I have to click on this payment form. Now I have to click on this add webhook endpoint. Now I need to enter the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on this test and add, and then click on this add. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I have received the test response. So I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response, and do you wish to recapture the response? I have to click on this yes. Now I can see it's waiting for the webhook response. Under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission in my Cashfree account, and if Pabbly Connect captured that response over here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Cashfree and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. So I am going to open my Cashfree, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this payment forms and then click on this all. Now I want to make payment for this particular product, so I will open that and open the checkout page of that product. So here this is the checkout page, and now I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. The address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and then the pin code is this. Now I am going to click on this pay, and then I have to select my payment method, which is card, and then I am going to enter my card details. Now I have to click on this proceed to pay, and then I have to enter the OTP, and here I have successfully made the payment. Now all these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and now if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received the response. The number that we entered was this one. The name was new user, state was Madhya Pradesh, city was Bhopal, address was Old Street, email address was new66@pabblytudes.com. And I have also received the product name. Now as soon as I've done the payment, I have received the response here in this workflow. This means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Cashfree, that is successful. And now whenever someone will make the payment, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a Cashfree payment, I want to create subscriber in my Kit account. So here in my action application, I am going to take Kit. And then in my action event, I have to take this tag as subscriber and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and the API secret. So following this help desk, I am going to click on this hyperlink given over here, account setting. And now if I scroll down, I can see this developer option. So I will open this. And here I am provided with the API key and the API secret, which I need to copy and paste that over here. And then I have to click on this save. So here Kit is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details now. So the first one is that I have to select my tag ID. In this drop down, I can see all the tags that have been created, and I want to select this Cashfree. So my subscriber will be created under this tag Cashfree, and now I have to enter the email address. So I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from Cashfree, and when I click on this email, I can see this Cashfree. When I click on this Cashfree, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I need to enter the email address, which was new66@pabblytudes.com. And then I have to enter the first name and the last name. So here I will follow the same process, and the name was new user. Here I can see that I have received the full name of this lead, and I want to get the first name and the last name separately. For that, I am going to use one more action step before this action step and search for a feature by Pabbly, which is text formatter. And then in my action event, I have to select the split text. Now I have to click on this connect, and then I have to select the text that I want to split, which is the name of the lead new user. And then in the separator, I want to select this. Then in the segment index, I have to select this as all and then click on this save and send test request. Here my first name has been separated with my last name, and now I am going to enter this response here in my action step. So I am going to click on this first name, and then I have to click on this text formatter response where I can find my first name, which was new, and then I will follow the same process and enter my last name. Now I have to enter the mobile number. So in my Cashfree response, I have received the mobile number as this one. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I have received the subscription ID and the subscription state is active. Now I need to open my Kit account and check whether the subscriber has been created there under the same tag or not. So here this is my Kit dashboard. On the top I am going to click on this grow and then click on the subscribers. Here I can see that I have instantly and automatically created this new. It has also recorded the date of the creation of the subscriber. I am going to open this. The name was new user, email address was new66@pabblytudes.com, and the tag that it has been created under is Cashfree. So now to check whether this automation workflow is working fine or not, I am going to make the payment one last time, and I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So this time, let's say my name is current user, my phone number is this, my email address is current55@pabblytudes.com, address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, pin code is this, and now I am going to click on this pay, where I am going to enter my payment option as card, and then I am going to enter my card details, and now I am going to click on this proceed to pay. I have to enter my OTP, and here I have made the payment successfully. Now this subscriber should be created in my Kit account. So let's open my Kit account, let's go back and let's refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have created this current user also. The name was current user, email address was current55@pabblytudes.com, mobile number is this, and it has been created under the same tag Cashfree. Now to summarize, we took Cashfree as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made the payment and received the response over here. After that, we moved to the next step where we wanted to create this as a subscriber. So we took it as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, enter the tag ID and rest of the details with the help of a method called mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these subscribers been created in my Kit account under the same tag. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and we have successfully created automation between Cashfree and Kit with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.